Hello students, how are you? Standard 7, Tech Maths, School of Scholars, Malkapur. We are going to study today exercise 1.2, remaining questions. That new exercise we are going to start. In all questions we are going to see that. See students, the first question is that find the products. Now this you know that how to find out the product of integers. So is it, see, doing product of integer is as normal as doing the product. Okay, only you have to just keep in mind whenever you write the answer, that time you have to bother for the sign. Okay, here is positive and here is negative. So here you know that if both terms or both integers they have unlike sign, okay, one is positive, another is negative, in that way what are the rules? We will see that if both are positive, if multiply, answer will come positive. Okay, if both are both are negative, negative multiply negative, answer is positive. Okay, in that opposite, if one is positive multiply another is negative, answer is negative. If first is negative, another next is positive, your answer is what? Again negative. So here is like, here is unlike. So just only that much rules we have to keep in mind. Okay, if both signs are like, your answer is positive, both signs are unlike, your answer is negative. So here 14 fours are, here answer is unlike, so your signs are unlike, so your answer will come negative. And you know that 14 threes are, for that your tables are very much important. Okay, so 14 threes are what? 42, your answer is what? Negative 42. Next question is what? 6 18s are. So what is the 6 18s are? That is 108. Okay, 108. And here see positive negative unlike signs, so negative 18. Next is that, okay, now here 8 multiply 42 we should find out, and that answer if you multiply it you will get what? 336. And both are negative negative, that's why it become a positive. Now here are the three integers, how we have to do it? See, 21 multiply 6, we have to do this first, and the product it comes 126. And which 126? Here positive, here negative, it means negative 126. Multiply negative 2, so multiply, we have to do it, that answer will come what? Multiply 2, we have to do the product to the product. So 126 multiply 2, that is 252. And here negative negative become a positive. Okay, so in the same way next questions we have to do it. There is no issue, there is nothing to do worried. See, negative negative positive, so 1 multiply this what? 2016, because 1 and 1008 multiplied to is 2016, and this is positive, multiply negative 5. Now 2016 multiply 5, we have to do it. See, 2016 multiply 5 and put to answer negative sign, because they are negative, here is positive. That after doing the product come 10,080. Okay, so next is that, so 12 multiply 14 multiply negative 1. So 12 multiply 14, if do the product it will come 168, and here is negative, here is positive, that's why your sign is negative. Multiply negative 1, that is positive 168. Okay students, so like that there is no difficulty in it. You can solve the remaining these questions also. We will solve the question number 2 now. What is that? In that you just see, here are the 4 integers. See, first we solve 2 integers in this way, 3 integer in this way. These 4 questions you have to do it. It is nothing to do it. See, first you do it, then one positive answer will come, that positive 8 5s are 40, multiply 3 negative 3, and 4 3 see 0 is as it is, 4 3s are 12, and positive negative is negative, that's about it. It is too easy. So here we have to do these two product. Okay, 6 3s are negative 18. Okay, 6 3s are negative 18, multiply 9 multiply negative 12, and we know that 18 9s is what? 162, and which it is negative 6, and multiply 12. Now 162 multiply, we have to do the 12, and then negative negative become positive, and answer of this product it is what? 1944. You have to do the product. Okay, and we'll come to know. So next question, how to solve it? See here, negative 25 multiply negative 15. See, both are negative, so it become a positive, and your answer is here 375. 15 5s are 75, so 5 is here, 7 get carry, 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 7 37, in that way. Okay, and multiply it is what? 4. And what? Multiply 4. Here both answer is negative positive, and multiply 4 is 1050, and that is also positive. So in that way you have to do it. That very easy to multiply the, just only keep in mind this in the formula, like it is positive and like is negative. So question number next is fill in the blanks. So in that, see, 1 is multiply itself by 24 times. Students, one very common rule is there: when any negative number multiplied itself by, or not itself, or any multiply in negative numbers, are they multiplied odd times? What? Odd times. Odd means what? 1 3 5 7 9 etc. that much times is multiply, then answer come what? It is, we are talking about negative numbers. Okay, that time answer is coming what? Negative only. Okay, and if it is even, suppose 2 4 6 8 10, and that time your answer is come positive. Okay, when negative numbers you multiply odd times, your answer is negative. If negative number is multiplied even times, 2 4 6 8 10 times, that time your answer is come positive. Okay, so that's a theory, that's logics. So negative, it is 24 times, so it is even. Okay, so negative 1 is multiplied and that answer is come positive, and which it is positive is 1, because 1 is multiplied itself how many times? Answer is coming 1 only. Okay, positive multiplied how many times? The next question is positive is multiplied positive multiplied 5 times or 6 times. Yes, 6 times. Positive multiply 6 times, and negative multiply 6 times, and positive multiplied 3 times. See here both are 6 times, means what? Here pair having even, means here become positive, here become positive, means this 3 positive and this 3 positive. Positive multiply positive is what? Answer is what? Positive only. This 3 hai na, 2 pair of negative means 1 positive. Pair of negative numbers is positive. Answer. The pair of negative product is positive. Pair of negative product is positive. So positive multiply positive, what? Positive answer. Second answer is what? Positive. Okay, 13 negative integers and 13 positive. See, 13 negative integers means their product will come what? Negative, because 13 is it odd. 13 क्या है? Odd है. So that 13 negative integers product will come. See, we are going to see what answer whether that answer is in negative or positive. That answer will come in negative, and here 13 times positive, answer will come positive. So this, what are the both product answer? What are the number? This negative number multiply this positive, negative multiply positive, final answer will come negative. Okay, this is your answer. Now next number is what? 10 multiply negative 10 multiply negative 200 multiply negative 3000 multiply 5. So students, keep in mind, here is 1 0, here is 2 0, here is 3 0. So we will write commonly there are 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is how many? 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1, 6 zeros we will write commonly. Now 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6, and here 3 2s are negative 3 multiply negative 2, negative 3 multiply negative 2, negative become positive. 3 2s are 6, positive 6, and positive 6 multiply negative 1, negative 6. So here is will come negative 6, and multiply this 5 will be as it is. So what we did, we just write the direct product of this, that is this, and multiply this 5. Okay, and these are the 3 negative numbers, that's why our answer come negative. Now here is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros as it is. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 5 6 are 30, right? 37, and put the commas in as per the Indian number system. So that is 3 crore. Okay, next question is what? Dash multiply negative 32 will become a positive. So that's simple answer is negative 1, because negative multiply negative become positive, and it is identity. Okay, clear? 32 is never changed. 65 multiply how many is negative 65? So that's same, negative 1. Negative 65 multiply negative 1 is change. Now question number 4 is in this way, table is there. So here, see, in your textbook there are it is look like this, right? So that printing error it is. Okay, printing error it is. So consider these are the negative numbers and these are the negative numbers. Okay, Okay, in there. So what to do? This column and these are row. This column number has to multiply and write the answer. Suppose first example I am telling you, this -5 multiply -5 is positive 25. So here is I will write the answer. -5 multiply -3 is 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Negative negative positive. So 5 1s are 5. -5 multiply 0 0. -5 multiply 1 5, and which is -5 because here is positive and here is negative. That's the answer will come negative. So -5 multiply 3, 5 3s are 15, but which 15? -15 because here is positive and here is negative, and 5 5s are 25. Which 25? Here is positive and here is negative. That's why negative. So keep in mind when negative this just wait 1 second. Let's see which numbers means these are the negative numbers which whom I am shading. Okay, so their product will come in this, they will come all come positive. Okay, they will come all positive. Okay, and which one come positive? 1 2 3 4 and this 1 2 3. So see these negative numbers multiply this positive, here will come negative. Okay, after that this positive, these negative numbers and this positive means here will come all negative. Okay, and again here will come positive all, and here completely 0 0. Here is 0 because 0 multiply this or this will come 0. Clear? So here will come positive, here will come positive, here will come all answer negative, here will come all answer negative. And question number 5 and question number 6 you have to do it at home. Okay, take care, stay home, don't go outside, and see, learn the table and solve exercise remaining. Okay, so I tried to complete 2 exercise, remaining exercise you completed. Try to complete and practice well. Take care.